so calm and so friendly. This guy almost ruined your car and sent us to the hospital.
Well, I'll tell you something, man. People are like garbage trucks.
Really now, how's that?
Well, they run around with garbage, full of disappointment, full of frustration, full of anger. And when the garbage piles up, you need a place to dump it. And sometimes they'll dump it on you. But you know what? You don't take it personally. You just wave, smile, you wish them well, and you move on. Don't let their garbage spread to the people at work, at home, or on the streets. You love those who treat you right. You pray for those who don't. See, now life is 10% of what you make it. But life is how you take it.